Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Oracle Apex, step by step. In this video, we'll be walking you through the process of installing Oracle Apex version 23.1, with ORDS version 23.1.4, on one Oracle pluggable database version 21C. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will help you get started with Oracle Apex and create your first application in no time. Our agenda for this video contains the following main items. Overview of the Oracle Apex and ORDS. Download of the required software. Install Oracle Apex. Install ORDS. What is Oracle Apex? Oracle Apex is an enterprise low-code development platform from Oracle Corporation. Apex is used for developing and deploying web applications on Oracle databases. The platform offers a web-based integrated development environment, IDE, with a range of features including wizards, drag-and-drop layout, and property editors to simplify the process of building applications and pages. Using Apex, developers can quickly develop and deploy compelling apps that solve real problems and provide immediate value. Web Listener. In order to run Apex applications, you must have access to a web listener. The web listener functions as a communications broker between the web browser and the Apex objects in the Oracle database, by mapping browser requests into database stored procedure calls. Apex supports the following web listeners. 1. Oracle REST Data Services, recommended by Oracle. 2. Oracle HTTP Server, deprecated, and 3. Embedded PL/SQL Gateway, EPG, deprecated. In this video, we will focus on the first option, using ORDS as a web listener with Apex. What is ORDS? ORDS stands for Oracle REST Data Services. ORDS is a Java application that enables developers with SQL and database skills to develop REST APIs for the Oracle database. Any application developer can use these APIs from any language environment, without installing and maintaining client drivers, in the same way they access other external services, using the most widely used API technology, REST. ORDS bridges HTTPS and your Oracle database. It provides a database management REST API, SQL Developer Web, a PL/SQL Gateway, SOTA for REST, and the ability to publish RESTful web services, for interacting with the data and stored procedures in your Oracle database. The major advantage of this architecture is the separation of the mid-tier and the database tier. Using Oracle REST Data Services creates an architecture which consists of a web browser, Oracle REST Data Services, Oracle database containing Oracle Application Express. It is a Java-based application, ords.war. It can be installed into any supported J2EE compliant web server. It is a free tool that is fully supported against Oracle WebLogic Server and Apache Tomcat. The first step is to download the required software. We will need the following pieces of software. 1. Oracle Apex latest version, currently it is version 23.1. 2. Oracle JDK version 11.0.15 or later. Java will be used to run the ORDS application. 3. Oracle ORDS latest version, currently it is version 23.1.4. 4. Oracle database version 19C or later. We will use a pre-created Oracle pluggable database version 21C for this Apex installation. You will find under this video description all the links to download the required software. Let us download the different software components. We will start by the Oracle Apex. We will download the latest available version, which is 23.1. Click the link for Oracle Apex downloads, then click Oracle Apex 23.1, all languages. The file size is about 244 megabytes. Then we will extract the Oracle Apex software to the directory d/apex/apex. It will consume about 900 megabytes after extraction. Then we will download the latest available JDK, for the Windows platform, which is currently 11.0.18. We will stage it also under the directory d\apex. Then we will download the last required software component, which is Oracle ORDS. We will also stage it under the directory d\apex. Also, we will create an empty folder called config under the ORDS subdirectory. Now, to the second major step, which is Oracle Apex 23.1 installation. First, we will connect to the Oracle Pluggable Database, and examine the current data files. Then, we will create a dedicated table space called Apex, and review its newly created data file. Here, we display the R Pluggable Database container ID and container name. Let us see the names and locations of the database's data files. We will format the output to be more readable. Now, let us issue the create table space command, to create a new table space to hold our Apex installation. Note that, our database is using Oracle managed files, so, we don't need to specify the file name or location, it will be chosen automatically. Examine the newly created data file for the Apex table space. We will run the main script to install the Oracle Apex. I initially got an error. This error because I have to be inside the Apex folder before running the SQL+ tool. So, let us first change our directory to the directory, where we downloaded and extracted Oracle Apex, in our case it is, d\apex. Then let us connect to our pluggable database, and run the Apex installation script again. This time, the installation will proceed without errors. It will take about 3 minutes, to complete the Apex installation. Installation is proceeding fine, let's wait until it finishes. Installation is proceeding fine, let's wait until it finishes. Installation is proceeding fine, Let's wait until it finishes. Installation is proceeding fine, let's wait until it finishes. Installation is proceeding fine, let's wait until it finishes. Installation is proceeding fine, let's wait until it finishes. Congratulations, installation was completed successfully. Let us do some post-installation tasks. First, we will run a script to change the admin user password. I initially got an error, because the provided password doesn't comply with the password complexity rules. I run the script again, and I provided a more complex password, and it succeeded this time. The last step in the Apex installation is to unlock some Apex-related accounts. This concluded the Oracle Apex installation part. The next step is to configure Apex's web listener, either EPG or ORDS. Moving to the last step, where we will install the Oracle ORDS. As a preparation, we will run a script to configure the required users for ORDS. Enter the password for the Apex listener user, and the password for Apex REST public user. Then we will disable the Oracle XML database protocol, as we will use Oracle ORDS instead. In our case, it is already disabled, HTTP port equals 0. After that, we will unlock the ORDS related database accounts. Note that the ORDS public user was not created yet, we will unlock it later. Now, we will move to the main last step, we will run the command to install and configure Oracle ORDS. Open a command window, then move to the ORDS folder. Then run the Java command to install the Oracle ORDs. Enter your environment-specific information. For the type of installation, select option number 2, create or update a database pool, and install upgrade ORDs in the database. For the database connection, select option number 1, basic, host name, port and service name. Then select localhost as the host name, database listener port as 1531, and database service name as PDB1. Please note that your environment may be different. Provide the username as SYS as SYSDBA, plus its password. For the default table space, enter the Apex table space that we initially created. And for the temporary table space, select temp. For the additional services to enable, select option number 1, database actions, enable all features. Then select option number 1, to configure and start the ORDs in a standalone mode. Leave the default HTTP port as 8080. Provide the Apex static resources location as d/apex/apex/images. Installation started and progressing well. It will run for a minute, installation done, but I received an error in the last step, concerning the page file. The error is, the page file is too small for this operation to complete. Actually, my laptop has 32 GB RAM and 32 GB page file, so the page file is not small. Anyway, I added additional 4 GB to my page file at the D drive, but most importantly, I stopped many other databases running on my machine to free more memory. Also, from another window, I unlocked the last ORDs user. I run the Java command again, but this time I selected option number 1, for just installation. It completed successfully, but nearly it did nothing. Then, I run the Java command again, and I used the same options that I used in trial number 1, and this time it succeeded. Note that he will skip the already completed steps. Now, we have Oracle ORDs installed, configured, and running. As a final validation step, we will test connecting to the Oracle Apex, and creating one workspace. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.